Okay, you might be thinking, why would I want to make a hydroponic grower out of milk jugs? And here's one of the biggest benefits that I've seen so far. You see, a traditional NFT system works well, but if the pump goes out, the water runs out of the tubes and all of your plants can die. Now with this system, when you turn on the pump, it doesn't immediately start flowing through all of the milk jugs. You have to wait a few seconds. Once it starts flowing, you can see that each jug is going to hold about half a gallon of nutrients before it flows on to the next one. So this way you can keep the water flowing. And the way we've got the bend set up with the milk jugs, it adds some aeration. Also down at the other end, the irregular shape of the milk jugs causes the water to aerate. So while it's running, you can see the water keeps flowing, but if it ever shuts off, there will still be a good bit of nutrients left in each one of the jugs. So your plants will go for days, maybe even weeks, without any electricity. And that might save you a lot of headaches. So stick around, I'll show you how to build one of these. Keep on growing.